my name is Christina, and today we are going to go on a notation story adventure. Today we're going to start from our house and we're going to go all the way to Candyland. There's going to be two ways that we can move today. The first one is we're going to simply walk, and we're going to use the quarter note symbol in order to walk, okay? So it's going to sound a little like this. Walk, 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 okay? And then the other way we can move is we can jump, and we're going to use the whole note symbol in order to jump. So that sounds a little bit like this. Jump and hold it, jump and hold it. So those are the two ways that we're going to move across our board in order to get to Candyland. You guys are going to help me figure out whether I need to walk or jump. And then you're also going to help me decide how many walks and how many jumps we should take in order to move across our board. Are you guys ready to get started? Okay. So the first one, I'm going to help us out, and we need to get to our map. Our map is going to help us get to Candyland. So we're going to use the magic number of music, which is 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take 4 walks to get to our map. Let's do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Are you guys ready? So you can either play on your piano at home, or you can follow the link down below and access our online piano. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay guys, it looks like we found our map. Okay, let's take a look. Where do we need to go to next? So according to this map, it says that we need to go to the green swamp and cross it. Do you guys see the green swamp? I do too. So it looks like we gotta go from here to here. Do you think, if we're still taking a walk, is that gonna take 4 walks or 8 walks? I think 4 walks too. Let's try it out. One, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, so let's see what that sounds like. Get your walking feet ready. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Nice, we made it to the green swamp. But I don't think we're gonna be able to walk across this swamp. So what we're going to pull out next is that other way of moving, and we're gonna jump. There's some red licorice logs in the green swamp, so that's how we're gonna get across. So do we need the magic number of music, which is 4 whole notes? Or do we need 2 whole notes to get across? Which one should we do? You're right, I see 4 logs. We should definitely have 4 whole notes to help us jump across. So those look like this. I'm gonna just write them above our licorice logs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now get your walking feet ready, or in this case, your jumping feet. And we're gonna do 4 jumps. Are you ready? 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it, jump and hold it, jump and hold it, jump and hold it. Good for you, we just made it across the green swamp. No green goo got on our feet at all. So let's check back to our map. Ooh, it says the next place we have to go is we have to go to the sleeping gummy bear, okay? But he is actually a little bit further then the other stuff, so wait, we have to go all the way from here to here. Do you think that we're going to need 4 walks? Or do you think we're gonna need 8? That's a long ways. We're definitely gonna need 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so are you guys ready to go on this? Get your walking feet ready. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, we made it to the sleeping gummy bear. We don't want to wake him up because he can be very grumpy. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to jump across his ears in order to get to Candyland. So how many ears does the gummy bear have that we can jump on? Is it 2 or is it 4? You're right, I only see 2 ears as well. So I'll mark those. 1, 2. Okay, are you guys ready to jump over the sleeping gummy bear's ears? Okay. 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Guys, made it past the sleeping gummy bear all the way to Candyland. Can I give yourselves a round of applause? Woo! You know what we forgot? We forgot our passports, and they won't let us into Candyland without our passports. So we have to go all the way back home and start over. That's okay though, because we totally know where we're gonna go. So we're gonna start a notation story adventure all the way from here, all the way to Candyland without stopping. Are you guys ready? Okay. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Congratulations, guys. You just finished your first notation story. So the cool thing about your notation story is you can actually create your own at home. All you have to do is pick out your own character. So maybe you draw a unicorn or a magical bunny, and then you get to decide where that character is going. And then you get to decide how that character is gonna get there. Are they gonna use the whole note to jump? Or maybe they're gonna use the quarter note to walk. I'll let you decide that. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.